Alright, so I have the tank standing leaning against the wall because what I want to do is use this cloth to suck up all the dirt first. Everything that's in here, all the dirt, take it out. Then afterwards is when we're going to use our kerosene and clean it out with a liquid. Yeah, you can inhale for that. It's good. How much storage I have on my phone because I've used up like 70% of it already. So I assume at some point this recording is gonna end, and it's probably gonna record whatever it is it can record in the 25% of storage. I apologize if it does cut, but this is gonna be a long video. Okay, so that looks a lot better than what it did before, which is good, and a lot cleaner. So now we gotta go inside. Okay, so I am done with the cleaning of the fuel tank and put this feeder pipe back in here. My phone died a couple of seconds ago because it was exposed to too much heat, so it kind of overheated. So now I gotta put it back in there or under there. But I'm not gonna show the process. One, my phone's gonna die soon in any minute or whatever because the battery is draining low already, and I don't have a charger close by. That's one. Two, it's gonna be a bit tricky to show you how I get to put that back in that unless I have like a helmet cam or something, which I don't. So if my phone's still on and I can still take a video, I will show you once that's done. So see you in a bit. Finally, I am done. That took a while, man. It's easier to bring this thing down than it is to put it back in. Obviously. Can I focus? I don't know. I hope so. I don't know. But anyway, there it is. Fuel tank is in this here housing. Is the fuel tank. Before I put in the gas, whatnot, I am just gonna clean it again, just in case it's a little bit dirty there. But our tank is there, sitting snug, so it's in. Took a while to get it done, but finally I did. Pretty sure I look dirty. My cousin's already laughing at me, saying I look dirty, but yeah, that's done. I'm hungry. I'm going home to eat. Then I'll be back later with some gas and try and run this thing up. So we'll catch you then.